Hello everyone, I'm here today to introduce the latest updates to SQM. We have some exciting new features to show you. Firstly, contacts on your cloud can be given access to SQM. Additionally, you can print your published SQM to PDF. And in the Operate Overview, you can view a task as the assignee of the task would see it. And in Design, you can remove the sign-offs of users that are deleted or inactive. You can also review your own responsibilities where it makes sense for your firm. Let's dive in and explore these updates together. Our first feature to demo is the Contacts access. Here I have a contact I want to give access to SQM. In the Edit dialog under tab Apps, I now can see SQM. When I tick this, they will have access to SQM module Operate. To modify which modules the contact has access to, I can go to Settings, SQM, Manage SQM. Firstly, I see a license reconciliation of my licenses port and how many staff and contacts have access to SQM. When you have exceeded the number of SQM licenses, all of your contacts will no longer be able to access SQM. In the table is a list of all contacts that have access to SQM. In my case, it's one person. From here, I can go and set which modules this contact has access to. Now, logged in as the contact, I can do everything a staff can do on SQM, from assigning responsibilities to creating evaluate work programs. We've also updated the Procedures dialog. In the Procedures dialog under Assignees, you will now see Users and Groups. These two fields were previously assigned staff and assigned groups. Under the Groups drop-down, you will now have staff and contacts listed, and the same with groups, where you will have staff and contact groups. When using our Collaborate integration functionality and you've selected Contact Add as your activity, we can now also send that task to the newly added contact by ticking this tick box. Our next feature is the ability to print the published SQM to PDF. In Module Operate, page menu item SQM Manual, we have a button called Print. On clicking this button, the PDF is generated and can be saved. At the top of the PDF, we have the logo as set up in Settings Firm Customization. We've also included the date of print. In Operate Overview, I've selected a task, and in the table I can see the tasks that have been sent. In this case, I have one task. On the right, we have the View button. The View button opens the dialog with the form as read-only, so I can see the responses as the assignees would. Lastly, in Design, you can review your own responsibilities in the case where you are, for example, a sole practitioner. Here I have assigned myself to all of the responsibility roles. Now I'm going to review my own responsibilities, and because I'm clicking on my own user, I'm getting a dialog Review your own responsibilities. This is to confirm that this is what you want to do. Once I click Continue, the process continues as normal, as if you were reviewing another's responsibilities. For more information about other minor enhancements and bug fixes, visit our release page.